And welcome back to our coverage from CEDIA 2010. I'm with Sean here on the Sony stand, and we're looking at the VW90, which is an SXRD projector, but I guess its party piece is 3D. So tell us all about it, Sean.
Well, you know, you got to remember it's the VW90ES. It's not just a projector this year, it's an ES projector. So that elevated standard that we have in our receiver line has now come to the projector. And that's great because that gives you an extended warranty. It gives you 3 years on the projector. Not only that, but it also gives you the service that we would normally give you, tech support with ES. So, you know, and that's very, very cool. So this is the first of its kind in that way. Not only that, but yeah, it's an SXRD projector. It has our 3rd generation SXRD chips, so they're 0.61 inches. You know, what's really nice about that is you get less pixel spacing, and it's faster, so you're going to get a much smoother, sharper image. And yeah, it's 3D. So it's one of the best 2D projectors we've ever made that also has the capability of doing 3D. And if you ever seen it, it's amazing. 150,000 to 1 contrast ratio. So you're going to give you that great detail in black that you expect from a Sony projector. 1,000 ANSI lumens, so you're going to be able to put it on a larger screen. And again, it's an ES, so it is also it's made to integrate into your systems. As you can see here, we give you the full support of our partners in control, whether it's Crestron, Vantage, Savant, Elan, RTI, URC, control for and AMX. So it's really the best of both worlds. You get the best 2D projector, and then it turns into the best 3D projector, and it has the ES, you know, that we all know and love so much. It's the elevated standard in projector products.
Now, the thing that people are going to ask us straight away about the 3D side of things is you got to wear active shutter glasses for a start.
Yes. And
you lose brightness. So how do you compensate for that in the projector?
Well, you know, we do have the beautiful thing about this type of active shutter system is, yes, you might lose some brightness, but you can put it on any screen. It doesn't have to be a silver screen. You can put it on any screen you want. So you can grab a screen with as much gain as you think you need. So it's very flexible in that way. And speaking of 3D, if you're wondering where the emitter might be, or the transmitter, it's actually built in a ring around the lens. So it's powerful enough to hit the screen and bounce back at you. And you can go pretty much straight on the side of the projector and still get that 3D effect. So that's kind of why we did that. And of course, active shutter, you know, you're one lamp, you're one set of chips. So it's a lot more energy efficient, easier to actually get dial yourself in and calibrate than it would be to have 2 setups inside a projector.
Now, you're saying that the IR is strong enough to bounce off the screen and back to the glasses?
Yes. That's actually in our theater. We do not have a transmitter external. Now, you can do that if you wish, but so far we're seeing with this projector in the theater room, the IR is bouncing off the screen and back onto the glasses, and it's pretty much seamless. If you need to, if you want to, you can run one of our transmitters via Cat5 and present it that way. So.
And of course, it's going to do all the formats. So it'll do side by side, top, bottom.
Yes, of course. And, you know, yeah, it'll do what if you're broadcasting, of course, depending on what the broadcaster decides to do, if they're going to do side by side, top and bottom, if they flag it, it'll automatically kick itself in. If it's not, you can actually just pop in and get in the menu system and choose it yourself. So, yeah, definitely. We've got you covered, whether it's frame packing, whether you're doing top, bottom, side by side, we're going to be able to handle that for you.
Well, Sean, we're looking forward to seeing this in the UK and getting it through for review. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much. It's good to see you again, and please stop by and check it out.
And come back and join us again for more coverage from CEDIA very soon.